Assalamualaikum, welcome back. This is Imran. In this video we are going to turn colorful images into black and white images. There are a few ways in Photoshop to make things black and white. First one is we can apply desaturate to make it black and white. But we don't have any control here. Let's undo it. The best way in my opinion is under adjustments. There is a slider here. This one here called black and white. Second row down, third one, click on that. Again, it's a non-destructive layer, which is cool. We can on and off to see the difference. Make sure keep preset in default. I want to make reds darker. I can drag this little white house to the left, reds get darker, and drag to the right to make it brighter. Same thing with greens, drag to the left to make it darker. I want to change this color here. What color is it? Don't worry about it. We can turn on and off this eyeball to see what color is it. It is cyan, trying to make it brighter. What is cool thing about it? It is adjustable. We can control it. So just work your way through till you find something you are happy with. One little tip for you is this option here. If you hover above it, it's got a drag wheel. Click and drag in image and modify slider. You can click on this little hand here, and what it allows to you to do, you can actually just drag on this. Right click on it, hold and drag it right to make it brighter, and drag it left to make it darker. So often this is just easier. I'm just going to drag it around. Maybe this a little bit brighter and this one here maybe a little bit darker. So pick the colors for you. Later on when we get into masking, you will be able to work on particular object. For the moment we are just doing some adjustments. Let's have a look on second example. Do the same thing and I will show you one last trick. Go to adjustments, then go to black and white and adjust these reds, yellows. But it's easier probably click on this and drag on the image to make things brighter and darker. One thing here I wanted to show you. This thing here called tint, and we are going to tint. And this color here that's been applied, it got this sepia old world color now. I click on this and you can pick any color you like. You drag this hue slider up and down to find that kind of color range you want. Let's say I want this color, click OK. It's a good way to totally colorize the things here. So that's the extra little tip. And that is it. Black and whitening is pretty easy, you get a better control. Little bit extra adjustment with these sliders and you can tint it if you need to. And always it's non-destructive, so this thing is just underneath ready to go. You can delete this layer by clicking it. See this trash here, you can delete it. If you don't like the adjustment, I am happy with myself, so I am not going to delete it. Alright, it's project time. You are going to black and white these two images and also apply tint. And share with me your work on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. I would like to see your work. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.